In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an Amazon order and get your money back all in just 5 minutes. Let's dive into the process so that next time you need to cancel a purchase, you'll feel confident in how to handle it smoothly and efficiently. First, start by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to Amazon's website. You'll want to make sure you're on the home page, which is www.amazon.com. Once you're there, look for the sign in option, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and enter your email address in the field provided, then click continue. On the next page, enter your password and click sign in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the additional security steps to complete signing in. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself back on the Amazon homepage. From here, navigate to the top right area of the screen where you'll see account and lists. Go ahead and click on that. In the drop-down menu that appears, select your orders. This is where you can see all of your recent purchases. Find the specific item or order you wish to cancel. You can browse through your orders chronologically or search for it if you remember the item name or order number. When you locate the order, you'll see an option to view or edit order. Click this and it will bring you to a screen with various details about your order. Look closely for an option that says cancel items. This is what you'll want to select next. Once you've clicked on cancel items, you may be asked to provide a reason for the cancellation. While you don't always have to give a reason, selecting an option from the drop-down menu helps Amazon improve their services. After you've chosen your reason, proceed by clicking cancel selected items. This step is crucial as it finalizes the cancellation process on your end. Within a short period, you'll receive a confirmation that your order has been cancelled. The final step involves the processing of your refund. Amazon will initiate the refund process back to your original payment method. Keep in mind that the timeline for receiving these funds back into your account can vary depending on your bank's policies, so it might take a few business days before you see the refund reflected in your account. And there you have it, a complete guide to cancelling an Amazon order and securing your refund. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, giving you the tools and confidence for managing your online purchases effectively. Thank you for watching and feel free to subscribe for more handy tutorials like this.